The Anunnaki are those who were sent down by Anu to Earth in groups of 50. They represent the element Earth. They are the ones responsible for the Adamant Project, Second Lulu Amalu Project, and later the Cadman Project, which were continuations of the Noon, Rainbow, Sphinx, Dolphin, and First Lulu projects, which were done by their predecessors, the Natiru. They are not all from Ritz, but are instead made up of the inhabitants of the 19 planets, located in Elohim. When they left their worlds and galaxy, it was because of the depleting ozone layer of Ritz, which being the heart of that tri-solar system could have led to a star holocaust. As a result of this, thousands began to die off. So the wise elders amongst them, called Demir, under the instruction of the Igigi, decided to construct many planet-sized crafts, all called Nibiru, for they were constructed at the Nibiru province of Ritz. They launched out 9 crafts called Nibiru in different directions, and each contained numerous crystal cities and thousands of smaller crafts. Now these Ritzkians went to other worlds in order to survive. They had to breathe in with many of the beings they encountered. This was because their physical form is much like yours, frail. At other times, they were too trusting of certain beings that attacked them and raped them. This all resulted in different species to be formed amongst them, having different reptilian mixes, as well as other more humanoid mixtures. This all took place over billions of years and can be seen by the shape of their eyes. Why do we say this took place over billions of years ago? We say this because, remember, the crash in the Tiamat took place 24 billion years ago, and it wasn't until 500,000 years ago that Anu came down and married the draconian princess named Id. And it was 450,000 years ago that he sent the Anunnaki down to Earth, led by his son Nutamut, aka Enki, to mine for the resources which were needed. What does this mean? Well, it means that there were 23,999,500,000 years of events which occurred between the crash and the Tiamat and these beings being sent down. So, there must exist records of their events, births, wars, marriage, deaths, etc., which occurred during the time, and these records begin with the holy tablets on to the sacred records of Atum Re, the sacred tablets of Tamaray, the Book of Gates, the Amduat tablets, the Litany of Re, the Book of Caverns, etc., which will all lead you in and beyond the stars.